Let's fix if your iPhone speaker is not working. Now, if you're trying to listen to, say, some music, make a call, whatever it may be, and that speaker either at the bottom or the earpiece speaker is not working, I'm going to walk you through some steps to get that fixed. The first thing that we'll do is we'll hop into our settings here, and we just want to make sure that it is playing through your phone speakers. So let's go into Bluetooth and toggle that off. This will disconnect from any portable speakers, headphones, anything like that to make sure that any sound or music is being played through your phone. Now, the next thing we'll do is we'll go back and tap on Sounds and Haptics. And you can see this ringtone and alert volume. You'll just want to slide this all the way to the very top. So you can see that I heard that sound. It's nice and audible. The next thing that we'll do is swipe down from the top right, and there is another volume indicator here that I can swipe up all the way to the top. Now, if you go through all of these steps and you still can't hear the speaker, the next thing that I'll have you do is sometimes there's gunk or lint or debris or something in the physical speakers themselves. So you'll just want to clear those out, and at the very bottom and at the very top, you'll clear those out. Use a soft toothbrush or maybe a Q-tip, something like that, to get out any kind of gunk or anything that might be in there that's causing those speakers to not work. The next thing that I'll have you do is go back, tap on General, and then we'll scroll down to Transfer or Reset iPhone, and then hit Reset, and at the very top, Reset All Settings. Basically, this will reset all of your settings, including your speaker settings, back to factory default, and when it restarts, a lot of times this fixes any kind of bugs that's causing those speakers to not work. If you go through all of these steps, last thing you could do is just try to turn your phone off and then turn it back on. And if it still doesn't work, I recommend taking it into Apple and just having them run some diagnostics on your iPhone, see if they can fix it or figure out what the issue is. Hope this helps. If you have any questions on that, leave them in the comments down below, and I'll catch you on the next one.